Why does your scanner show the P0979 engine code? What does it mean? P0979 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid C control circuit low. The P0979 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, or transmission control module current than expected in the circuit that controls Shift Solenoid C. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or harness, loose or faulty connectors, dirty or low transmission fluid, faulty shift solenoid, C, defective TCM, transmission control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.